Nibbles the Squirrel, who tried to fix Santa's sleigh. High above the snowy rooftops of the North Pole, something was very wrong. Santa's sleigh sat crooked in the snow, one runner bent, the jingle bell rope dangling sadly. Elves hurried back and forth, whispering worried words. Christmas Eve was almost here. Behind a tall candy cane pole peeked Nibbles the Squirrel. Nibbles was small, quick, and very, very curious. He loved fixing things, even when he probably shouldn't. Buttons, toys, clocks, teacups. If it looked broken, Nibbles wanted to help. The only problem was, his fixes didn't always work. "I just want to help," Nibbles whispered, twitching his fluffy tail. He scampered closer and gasped. A shiny bolt had popped loose from the sleigh's runner. Santa rubbed his beard. "Without this sleigh, Christmas can't fly." Nibbles's eyes sparkled. This was his chance. "I can fix it," he squeaked, though no one heard him. Nibbles grabbed his tiny acorn toolbox and climbed onto the sleigh. He tightened the bolt, then tightened it more and more. Uh-oh, the runner suddenly flipped the wrong way. Nibbles froze. That wasn't right. Just then, Santa returned. "Ho, ho, oh my!" Santa chuckled kindly. "Looks like someone tried to help." Nibbles's ears drooped. "I just wanted to fix it, but I made it worse." Santa knelt down, smiling warmly. "Helping is wonderful, little friend, but even helpers need help sometimes." The elves gathered around. Together they loosened the bolt, tapped the runner straight, and tested it carefully. Push, pull, wiggle. The sleigh stood tall and perfect again. Nibbles beamed. "We did it, together." Santa laughed. "That's the best kind of fixing there is." That night, as the sleigh lifted into the starry sky, Nibbles watched from below, heart glowing brighter than the snow. He learned that being brave enough to ask for help can make even the biggest problems feel small. And from then on, whenever something broke at the North Pole, Nibbles didn't rush in alone. He fixed things the best way of all, together.